Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to Discord Finance. Today I'm gonna show you how to promote Amazon affiliate products on YouTube and make about $100 to $300 per day, and you don't have to create your own videos. First of all, I'm going to show you how to find products on Amazon. Then I'm going to show you how you can download and other people's YouTube videos without getting a copyright strike. And then I'm going to show you how to promote that Amazon affiliate product on YouTube video, so you can make a commission on Amazon Associates. Also, if you stay all the way until the end, I'm gonna show you a ninja tip on how to promote and sell more of this product in every video you make. So are you ready? So step number 1 is just going to be the Amazon Associate Central. Here you just have to click sign up, write your name, email, and then create your Amazon affiliate account. Once you have finished with this sign up process, you can pretty much sell anything on Amazon and get an affiliate commission for it. For example, if you are going to sell this Fast and Furious 9 DVD and then you click on text only, click on short link. Now this is your Amazon affiliate link. If anybody goes through this link, they will end up on this really fast DVD. If anybody click on your link, anything they purchase within 24 hours will also give you a commission. So that means if they buy a camera, if they buy a dishwasher and mini a basketball hoop to slam dunk on their kids, you will also get a commission for that within the next 24 hours. Now I bet you don't want to sell a Blu-ray DVD, cause you are not a boomer. Now you might be wondering how much of a percent you will get. If you sell an item like this, you can see 10% for luxury beauty, luxury store beauty and Amazon Explorer, and then it drastically drops down to 5% for digital music, physical music, handmade and digital videos, and then you can see here 3% for toys, furniture, home improvement, law and garden, and all of these different things. And you should definitely be looking at this list here to see if your category will be sustainable on YouTube. What I recommend is to go high ticket items, about $200+, and then you can sell lower amount of that and you will still be able to make $100 to $300 per day. I'm gonna show you the easiest and the fastest way to sell Amazon Associates item right now. And right after, you slap the subscribe button and also click the like button. Don't forget to comment down below that my favorite part about YouTube is blank. And then you can enter the $100 giveaway. Now let's get into it. The next step is to go kit.co. Kit is a community of curators sharing the products they swear by. For example, Peter McKinnon, one of my favorite YouTube creators. They got MKBHD here, one of the top tech reviewers on the planet. And if we click on this link here, you will see all of the stuff that he is selling. So if somebody click on this link right here, for example, and they buy this lens about 900 euros, and you can see that the camera of photo is under 4%. So let's take your favorite tool, the calculator. 8, 9, 8 and 4%, about 36 euros, which is about $42 a sale. Now obviously MKBHD, he shows his face. He talks into the microphone and does very well by doing so. And also some of you guys may have been asking me, what niche can I do without talking into the microphone and also without showing my face? And one of the niches is actually cooking recipes. So take a look at this channel called Tasty. It's getting 29 million views the last 30 days. They only use music and have a top-down shoot of cooking. This other channel is called Cooking Foodie with about 8.4 million views with the last 30 days. And you can see that this video, for example, is just literally him with music going through this stuff. And I'm going to show you how to find this footage. You don't have to film it yourself. The next one is actually called Good Fool with about 3.5 million views the last 30 days. And let me show you the last one, the Dinner Bite, that only started about a year ago and is probably now making a full-time living from this without ever talking into the microphone. And you can see, for example, this video right here called Air Fryer Roasted Potatoes. And what does she have down here? Oh, it's an affiliate link. And you can see that she is selling this on Amazon and will make money if anybody purchases that from her link. You can also see the Cooking Foodie with 2 million subscribers getting 3 million views on this one, 7.5 million on this one. But if we go down into the description, you can see right here my favorite kitchen equipment that goes to an Amazon shop store. You have to go through a couple of different extra steps. And with kit.co, you don't have to go through like the branding certification thing to get that. So for you, I believe it's easier to you no sell this knife right here looking dapper through kit.co instead. But you might be wondering, how do I actually find the videos to able to make videos? For example, this air fryer roasted potatoes. Well, if you want to be higher quality, just go out there and do it yourself. Like, this is literally the easiest content you can do. Chopping some potatoes, filming it straight down, putting into it bowl, and then putting into the air fryer. But I definitely understand. So what you should do is go here, search for air fryer. Just like that, then you can click on filters. Click on Creative Commons. You want to scroll down until you find some videos with a lot of viewers. So this one, for example, 500,000 views 6 months ago. They have given you permission to use this video as your own. As long as you reuse and edit and transform it a little bit, this will not get copyright strike. And here, of course, selling on air fryer in the description down below is the perfect fit that can make you a lot of money with this. What about this Creative Commons video? How to cook honey garlic ribs in the air fryer. And this one as well, perfect for the air fryer with the popcorns right here. The sky is the limit, and that is only videos that you can make about air fryer. For example, if you go down a little bit more, you can see Instant Pot, and an Instant Pot is also a little bit more expensive as well, which is a perfect product for Amazon Associates that you could be selling and making money with. So to recap, sign up to Amazon Associates, then find the niche you want to go into. For example, MKBHD has camera gear. The one that we checked out today is Tasty Recipes, where they don't talk into the microphone or show their face. And then of course, you can send them directly to the product you want to promote, or you can send them to a kit.co link where you can bunch different products, then download some Creative Commons videos, flop them into a video editing software, and then make a video after promoting either your kits.co link on Amazon associate links. Obviously, you are not gonna be a successful overnight. This will take time, hard work, and dedication. Maybe you don't like, tasty recipes and all that, but you want to do something different. So that's what's up today's video. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and if you liked it, please support my channel by giving a thumbs up below. And if you want to see more money making videos, you can click any of the 2 videos in the screen show up, and I'll see you over there.